Hi, I'm Suzy Ebbecke, and this is Masaryktown Winery and Suzy's Kitchen. And I'm here on Florida's Adventure Coast, and we're going to do some cooking today. Today we're going to show you how to do a delicious blueberry pie, fresh from the farm. We picked the blueberries the other day, and today it's fresh blueberries. And we're going to add the ingredients to make my pies. And we sell a lot of pies at Masaryktown Winery and Suzy's Kitchen. Here we've added 16 cups of blueberries because I make a lot of pies. And then we're going to add 3 cups of sugar. We're going to add about a 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and about 4 teaspoons of lemon zest. And as it's cooking, we just give it a stir. And since these are fresh, they'll have lots of juice, so I don't add any water. And that makes the blueberries a lot thicker inside your pie. Since I've added all the ingredients and the heat is on, it'll melt the sugar and the juice from the blueberries. And then as it renders down, the cornstarch will make it thicker. I made my crust this morning, and I will bring them out. There we go. And as soon as I fill this, I will put a top piece of my crust on, and then we'll fold it up, put a little nice design on it, and we'll throw it in the oven. As it's getting hot, I'm going to melt my sugar, and that's going to be, and you could smell the aroma from the blueberries. Can you smell it? And the lemon zest. There, now we're getting there. But it can burn easy, so you've got to be careful. And once this boils, then it's done. So it just keeps stirring. Oh, and that just smells so good. The most popular that I sell here are fresh carrot cake, tiramisu, and banana pudding. Those are about the top 3 that I sell here. And I have to make banana pudding every week or people get upset. So, and I do a lot of cupcakes when the kids are out of school. I do a lot of cupcakes. I do a lot of Reese's cakes, a lot of sprinkles for kids, just to make it special for them. Yeah, see it's getting darker? And it's all about what you're seeing. And that's when I teach people how to cook, it's about what you're seeing, what it comes out to look like. The recipe could be a recipe, but it's what you're seeing and how you know when things are finished. And I've been making blueberry pie since I was about 11 years old. And then when we have our berry bash here, we do large blueberry muffins. We do everything blueberry we can do when we have our berry bash. Yep, it's getting deeper, darker blue. So now we're going to take the mixture and pour it into a pan to cool it down so I can put it into the pie pan. So I'm taking the mixture and just pouring it in. Whoop. cool down just enough. Oh, smell them blueberries. Because you don't want the blueberries too high in there because then they get on the top crust. I fill it about 3/4. Take a little bit more off. There we go. So now we're going to add our tops. And I put my top piece on. I take my crust, my bottom crust, because you want to be able to seal it. So what I do is I roll the top over and pinch. And then we're going to put a little design on the outside. Once I get it rolled and pinched. Because if you don't pinch it and roll it, it will leak all over. And it will make it just look terrible. And with pastries and pies, it's all about visual. It's all about making it look good so somebody will want it. This is sealing my crust, so I make a little design with spoons. So the pies are ready to go in. Put it in. The pies will be in there about 40 minutes total, but I'm going to check them at about 20 minutes. So let me check my little timer and we'll check in about 20 minutes. Ah, and they're cooking really well and it's getting nice and brown. We're going to wait probably about 15 more minutes and take them out and let them cool. And they should be finished. Now the pies are ready to come out. So we're going to take them out and put them on a cookie sheet. Yeah, they're nice and golden brown. It looks pretty good. These are my cake lifters so the tinfoil don't bend. There we go. The pie is ready to go, whoever wants it. Come on out to the winery, Masaryktown Winery in Masaryktown, and where Suzy's Kitchen is, and also we have a restaurant. Masaryktown Winery is open Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 10 to 9, and then when you pick is here, we're open from 9 to 5. And come on out, you get a bucket, go out and pick and have fun and bring the kids. We have turtles, we have chickens. All of our stuff comes from the farm that we could produce for the food, and we have specials every weekend. But come out and enjoy some great home-cooked food and home-cooked bakery. Thank you.